Hi, if you're looking to build websites without learning coding, design skill, or having a design background, then I'm going to show you how you can build websites from ready to go templates. So, right here, you can see a digital marketing website. These were built without any code, without any single code. Then we have another website which is based on spa services. Then we have another one that is for the self-care services, and we have more websites. Let's open this one. This website for pest control. Let's take some time. This was also created without any code or doing it in Elementor or DB. These websites are not built on WordPress, and you don't need WordPress to build these type of websites. I'm going to show you how you can build these websites, sell these websites, and start your own business right here in. So, Go High Level basically is a platform where you can create websites, funnels, provide email marketing services, automations, but you don't need to learn all of these. You can just select one single thing, which can be websites or funnels or anything else. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can do websites without coding. So let's get started. So once you log into your account, go to sites, go to websites, and you have like thousands of templates to choose from based on your niche, your brand. So let's say if you are a service-based business, if you're a website designer or life coaching or anything, you can filter this out and select the template that suits best. For example, I want to build a website for a travel agency. So I can see here, I got the template, and you can see this has everything that I'm looking for. Obviously, we can modify the content and pictures, videos. Let's start with this. So if you have real estate business, you can choose a real estate template, and the drag and drop builder of Go High Level is pretty easy to learn. Obviously, there's going to be some more technical things to learn, but I think it's good to start. If you have it, you can also build websites here and sell it as your business or your services. So you can see, just update the content, begins, add your text, and I'm going to add more tutorials on how you can create from scratch, but this is to help you with the templates. So you can create global sections, and just like you do in WordPress, that's how you can also do in Go High Level. And it also has features where you can do the animations. So for example, if I don't want to do animation here, you have that. It was recently launched and it didn't have before, but this is a great feature and I was waiting for this. So I think many of people who are using CSS for this, they're going to love this feature. And we have more exciting thing to do. So you can just update the content, save it, and connect your domain to launch the website. That's it. If you want to change the branding, obviously you can do just change the colors of it, make the colors different. I think this is good. So this is pictures. That's all. You can also optimize the mobile view. This is, I think, all right. I think this is pretty good and ready to launch. You can build websites, and I just built this in 3 minutes. But obviously, if you're going to sell templates, you can choose it, modify the template. If you're going to add the content, it's gonna take some time. But you see, with this template, you have home, contact, thank you, link in bio, and the packages. Let's view the packages. I think this is a pretty good design. So similarly, you can choose other templates and add the website. Let's see what other templates we can choose and how to filter. For example, you want to select beauty websites. You can see we have barber, haircut, stylist, portfolio, spa, hair salon, beauty and skin treatment plan, jewelry, nail spa. So these are all related to beauty. If okay, let's use business. We have life coaching, life consulting, real estate, wellness coaching, business consulting, and many others to choose from. Let's see home services. Okay, we have cleaning company, construction, landscaping, lawn services, roofing, electrical technician. These are pretty good templates for local businesses that you can use and modify and build your own website with the services. So stay tuned for more detailed tutorial, and I'm going to share some great tips how you can start your own business with selling websites. Thank you.